Good day, my wonderful viewers. You are welcome to my channel. In today's class, I want to evaluate root 32 s raised to power 4 y raised to power 2 divided by 162 p raised to power 6 z raised to power 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change this 32 to 2 multiplied by 16. So I've expanded it. Then I'm going to have s raised to power 4 y raised to power 2. Then the next thing, I'm going to do that to the denominator also. 162 will change to 2 multiplied by 81 p raised to power 6 z raised to power 8. Now the next thing is to cancel out this 2. Then I'm going to have 16 x raised to power 4 y raised to power 2 all over 81 p raised to power 6 z raised to power 8. Now don't forget, in law of indices, if I have a raised to power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of a, or let me say if you have square root of a is the same thing as a raised to power 1 over 2. So I'm going to apply that here. So I'm going to put everything into brackets, but it's going to have the power of 1 all over 2 because of the square root that is involved. Now 16 will change to 2 raised to power 4. This is going to be s raised to power 4 y raised to power 2. I've changed the 16 to index form, so it's now 2 raised to power 4. I'm going to do that to 81 also. So it's going to change to 3 raised to power 4, p raised to power 6, and z raised to power 8. Now, in this case, I'm going to apply law of multiplying power with power. So for example, now if I say 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, the answer is going to be 2. 4 times 1, 4, all over 2 is going to give us 2. So if I say 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, it's going to give me 1. Alright, so let's do that here. The power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 is going to give me 2 raised to power 2. The power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 is going to give me s raised to power 2. And the power of 2 multiplied by the power of 1 over 2 is going to give me what? It's going to give me y raised to power 1. Now, the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 is going to give me 3 raised to power 2. The power of 6 multiplied by the power of 1 over 2 is going to give me p raised to power 3. The power of 8 multiplied by the power of 1 over 2 is going to give me z raised to power 4. Then my final answer will now give me, because we are taking the root of everything inside this, so I'm going to have plus or minus. Then our final answer, 2 raised to power 2 will give me 4 s squared. Then y raised to power 1, we are going to write just 1. Then this is going to be 9 raised to power 3 z raised to power 4. So this is going to be our final answer. Thanks for watching, guys.